you. In the last lecture, we discussed about the ordered pair relations in about the function. Now today we are going to discuss about the next point.
हेलो स्टूडेंट ऋषिकेश सर।
यस सर।
ऋषिकेश सर।
यस सर।
ओके, क्या सुनाई दे रहा है?
यस सर।
अच्छी तरह से?
हाँ सर।
ओके ओके। नाउ वी स्टार्ट बेसिक्स एंड फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। लास्ट लेक्चर में जो पॉइंट हमने डिस्कस किए दैट इज अबाउट द relations, ordered pair, Cartesian product of two sets, number of elements in the Cartesian product of two finite sets, Cartesian product of reals, then definition of relation. Relation is the subset of the Cartesian product of two sets A cross B. The Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B. Now, the next point is about this relation. We discuss one example. इस रिलेशन का एक एग्जांपल डिस्कस करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. लेट let A be the set of finite 10 natural numbers. एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं जिसमें हम रिलेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. रिलेशन, डोमेन एंड रेंज के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स. लेट ए बी द set of first 10 natural numbers. And let R be the relation on A. R be the relation on A defined by the set of ordered pairs XY belongs to capital R of such that x plus 2y equal to 10. That is, R is the set of all ordered pairs XY. We read it as R is the set of all ordered pairs XY such that X belongs to A, Y belongs to A, and X plus 2y equal to 10. X plus 2y equal to 10. X express R and R inverse, means inverse relation, as a set of ordered pairs, as sets of ordered pairs determine Also, number one, domain of R and R inverse. Number two, the range of R and R inverse. Here, student, let it be the set of first 10 natural numbers, and let R be the relation on A defined by the set of ordered pairs xy belongs to R, such that x plus 2y equal to 10. R is the set of all ordered pairs xy. X belongs to A, y belongs to A, and x plus 2y equal to 10. Express R and R inverse as a set of ordered pairs. Determine also domain of R and R inverse, range of R and R inverse. Solution. We have set of ordered pairs xy belongs to R. X plus 2y equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus x by 2. Xy belongs to A, where A is the set of first 10 natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है स्टूडेंट? R and R inverse as a set of ordered pairs. Means relation and inverse relation हमें प्रूव करना है. If A comma B is the set of ordered pairs belong to R, then B comma A belongs to R inverse. This is relation and inverse relation. जो डोमेन होता है रेंज इनवर्स का, डोमेन ऑफ आर इज रेंज ऑफ आर इनवर्स, एंड रेंज ऑफ आर इज इक्वल टू डोमेन ऑफ आर इनवर्स. जो डोमेन ऑफ रिलेशन होता है रेंज ऑफ आर इनवर्स होता है, जो रेंज ऑफ रिलेशन होता है वो डोमेन ऑफ आर इनवर्स होता है. नाउ अगर x की वैल्यू हम 1 रखते हैं तो y क्या होगा? देखो स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे 10 minus 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2, and it does not belongs to A. A और B क्या चाहिए? Belongs to x और y belongs to A चाहिए. This shows that 1 is not related to any element in A. Similarly, we can also observe that 1 is not related to any element in A. Similarly, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 10 are not related to any element of A under this defined relation. Not related to any element in A under given definition. डेफिनेशन क्या है? ये x के ऐसे वैल्यू ले लो कि 1 से 10 के बीच में, तो y भी 1 से 10 के बीच में आना चाहिए. नाउ except 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits, 6 numbers that does not belongs to A. Now we try for remaining 4. For x equals to 2, y equals to 10 minus 2 by 2, that is 4. Therefore 2 comma 4 belongs to R. For x equals to 4, y equals to 10 minus 4 by 2, that is 3. 4 comma 3 belongs to R. For x is equals to 6, y equals to 10 minus 6 by 2, that is 2. Therefore 6 comma 2 belongs to R. For x equals to 8, y equals to 10 minus 8 by 2, that is equals to 1. Therefore 8 comma 1 belongs to R. Thus R is the set of ordered pairs 2 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 6 comma 2 and 8 comma 1. This is the relation. और इनवर्स रिलेशन क्या होगा? आर इनवर्स 4 comma 2. ये 2 4 है तो इनवर्स क्या होगा? 4 2. ये 4 3 है that is 3 comma 4. ये 6 2 है that is 6 comma 2 comma 6. 8 1 है that is 1 comma 8. This is an inverse relation. तो डोमेन ऑफ आर क्या होगा? डोमेन ऑफ आर फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट्स को डोमेन कहते हैं 2 4 6 8. दैट इज द रेंज ऑफ आर इनवर्स. जो आर का डोमेन है वो रेंज ऑफ आर इनवर्स होता है. एंड रेंज ऑफ आर is 4 3 2 1. That is domain of R inverse. This is about the example. Now next student we define domain. What is meant by domain? Domain means origin, the set of all first component the first set of all first component of the ordered pairs in a relation. Of the ordered pairs in a relation R. Is called domain of the relation R. Is called the domain of the relation R. The set of all first components of the relation R is called domain of the relation R. That is domain of, yes
सर
yes बोलिए समीन. yes बोलिए समीन. हेलो Rishikesh sir?
Yes, sir.
Rishikesh sir, is there any problem regarding visibility?
No, sir. No, sir. All is okay.
सुनने
sir.
और देखने में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है स्टूडेंट को?
नहीं सर, नहीं सर.
Okay, thank you. All okay? Sujit, Aditya Jadhav. How are you, Aditya? Okay, thank you, Aditya. Suresh, I'm also fine. Keshav, now we define the domain of R is equal to is the set of first components in the ordered pair AB, that is belongs to R. Thank you. Domain of R is the set of first components of the ordered pairs in the relation R is called domain of the relation R. Now we discuss the range. The set of all second components of the all ordered pairs. The set of all second component of all ordered pairs in a relation R. The set of all second components of all ordered pairs in a relation R is called the range of the relation. It's called the range of the relation. That is, range is the set of B such that AB belongs to capital R. Set of all second components in the ordered pair. जो ordered pair में जो एलिमेंट होते हैं ए को फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट कहते हैं और बी को सेकंड कंपोनेंट कहते हैं. फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट के कलेक्शन को डोमेन कहते हैं और सेकंड कंपोनेंट के कलेक्शन को रेंज कहते हैं. Now next one, codomain, next definition. If R is a relation from A to B, if R is a relation from A to B, then the set B is called the codomain. Set B is called codomain of the relation. Now range क्या होता है? Range is the subset of codomain. देखो सेकंड सेट को कोडोमेन कहते हैं, फर्स्ट सेट को डोमेन कहते हैं और जो इमेज सेट होता है इमेज सेट को रेंज कहते हैं. This is about the definitions of domain, range and codomain. Now the next point is types of relation. One relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be 1-1 if every element of A has at most one image in B. This is a special type of relation, a relation R from A to B. A relation R from set A to B is said to be 1-1. Is said to be 1-1 if every element of A has at most one image in B. And distinct elements in A have distinct images in B. A relation R from A to B is said to be 1-1 if every element of A has at most one image in B. For example, let A is the set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B having elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are two sets, and R is the range. R is the relation. R1 is the relation 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. Means X every element of A has at most one image in B. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6. Then this relation is called as 1-1. Then R1 is 1-1 relation. Then set the relation R1 is 1-1 relation. This is the very important and basic fundamentals of mathematics. Now, domain of R1 1, 2, 3, 4. Range of R1 that is 3, 4, 5, 6. And कोडोमेन क्या होगा? कोडोमेन होगा ये 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ये सेट बी इटसेल्फ कोडोमेन और इमेज सेट को रेंज कहते हैं. इसमें इमेज 1 की इमेज 3 है, 2 की इमेज 4 है, 3 की इमेज 5 है, 4 की इमेज 6 है. तो जो इमेज सेट है 3, 4, 5, 6 that is range, and given set B is called as codomain. Now next relation है many one relation. Next definition is many one relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be many one. A relation R from A to B is said to be many one. Is said to be many one if two or more than two elements, if two or more than two elements in A have same image in B. Have same image in B, that is relation R2 is a set of order pair 1 4 3 7 4 4. Then R2 is many one relation from A to B. And R2 is many one relation from A to B. Domain of R2 is one, 3, 4, and range of R2 is four, 7. क्योंकि 1 और 4 की सेम इमेज है 4, 1 की भी इमेज 4 है और 4 की भी इमेज 4 है. इसको वेन डायग्राम से इस तरह से हम नोट करते हैं. सेट ए एंड सेट बी. सेट ए के एलिमेंट्स कौन कौन से हैं? 1 2 3 4. और सेट बी के एलिमेंट्स है 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 3 4 5 6 7. वन की इमेज है 4, 3 की इमेज है 7 और 4 की भी इमेज है 4. This is many one. Two elements have same image 1 and 4. Then we say that many one relation A और B. इसमें डोमेन क्या होगा? ये 1 3 4. रेंज है 4 7. This is about many one relation. Next, into relation. A relation R from A to B relation R from A to B is said to be into relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be into relation if there exists at least one element in B there is at least one element in B a relation R from A to B is said to be into relation if there exists at least one element in B which has no pre-image in A, which has no pre-image in A. For example, वेन डायग्राम के ऊपर आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से इसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो सकता है. Let A is the set having elements -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and set B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let R3 is the relation, it is -2, 4, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. थ्री की कोई प्री इमेज नहीं है. सेट एक एलिमेंट से -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. और सेट बी के एलिमेंट्स है 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -2 की इमेज है 4, -1 की इमेज है 1, 0 की इमेज है 0, 1 की इमेज है 1, 2 की इमेज है 4. जिसमें 2 और 3 है, किसी की भी इमेज नहीं. ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं और ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि 2 and 3 है और नो प्री इमेज. कोडोमेन में 2 और 3 ऐसे दो एलिमेंट्स है जिसके कोई भी प्री इमेज नहीं है. नाउ therefore range equals to 0, 1, 4, and range is the subset of B.
Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir.
जी बोलिए. हाँ,
Sir, if set A and set B is there, so how we can find the relation, sir? That only I didn't understood, sir.
yes,
Sir, if A set is there and B
Repeat.
set,
हाँ हाँ.
sir, if A set
Hello.
is there, hello,
हाँ हाँ
sir,
बोलिए.
if A set is there and B set is there, so how we can find relations? Sir? That part is did not understood, sir.
Not find, we define. Not find, we define the relation.
So we have
We
to come
define
as
the
in,
relation.
okay, sir. Means in questions
Here.
they will give relation.
Here, here in this example, relation is square of. क्या रिलेशन डिफाइन किया हमने? -2 का स्क्वायर 4 है, -1 का 1 है, 0 का 0 है, 1 का 1 है. तो 2 and 3 not perfect square number. Therefore,
Okay, sir.
it is not. These are natural numbers which are not perfect square. Therefore, we can't find its square root.
Sir, but
Okay.
in question that let A is the set of first 10 natural number. That question I did not understood,
Yes.
sir. Can you repeat again? That
Okay,
X.
I will send the screenshot of that question. Then you study the screenshot. Then after that you will you have any doubt, then we'll discuss on that one. There is a
Okay, sir.
question, theoretical question that will be, that was the theoretical question. So we first read it, solve it, then we will discuss on that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
ओके, इनटू रिलेशन हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। इनटू रिलेशन किसे कहते हैं? सेट बी में ऐसे कोई दो एलिमेंट है जो किसी की भी इमेज नहीं है, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं। इन अदर वर्ड्स, देयर आर टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स, वन और at least one element in B which has no pre-image in A. Next है onto relation. Next definition, onto relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be onto a relation.
All the participants, please rejoin again. All the participants, please rejoin again. We have last few seconds.
A relation